Here we are coming up to our railroad setup that's in the backyard. And as you can see up top there, those are cats on marble reflectors in there. And the light has to hit it just right for them to reflect back on you. And this has button copy down at the bottom. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn this thing on. See how bright it is in the dark. There we go. Yeah, we set this up originally about 10 years ago. I had to replace the power supply in it, which came in yesterday evening. Now I'm going to do the bell. Yeah, this is kind of cool. Kind of miss playing with these type of toys.